Okay, so we've just gassed this house for all of its appliances, and this is all we're doing on this site for Cameron Jones and Trevor Jones Construction. And I'll walk you through. And these are pretty sophisticated house with paralams that you can't go through, so we have to run our lines up and under and to their spots. They're going to box that in for the particular reasons. And here we go. All right, Robert, tell us a little bit about this system.
Over here we'll start with the main first manifold. From this point we come in from a 2-pound system. This is our main 1 inch. We're running it through a 2-pound system to the reg to drop it down into inches water column. We got the 2 fireplaces and later to be the boiler here, which will be the central heating system. We got approximately 280,000 BTUs out of this manifold. And because of this house is so big, we end up having to double manifold because we just can't carry it all in one. We get to this side of the house, which we don't have a light for. And we come to this side of the house where this is another major run here. We've got the barbecue. We're going to stay in high pressure to the end of the house just because of piping considerations. Next we've got the range, then the walk range, and then the other fireplace. So as you can see, this is a large home. Yeah, we're close to 500,000 BTUs. Beautiful place.
Okay, let's walk up to the fireplaces. And we've got the basement fireplace here. We're coming in through the main of the house right up in that spot with our 1 inch going through, double backing to our fireplace downstairs. And as we go up the stairs to the main floor, we have gassed in a see-through fireplace here, and our line comes up and through the floor. Then we come up through the basement to go through to our one fireplace, up outside, through the soffit area, down into the fireplace there, and out to our barbecue box on this side. And we've come up through the floor to go to the range that's going to drop in over here.
8-element.
What was that, Robert?
8-element Wolf range.
8-element Wolf range, and then a walk system for this part.
This is the walk kitchen.
It's going to be the walk kitchen.
Leave 4 threads, cut 2. See that jagged? Whenever you're starting in on one, these are the jaggeds when you cut a rough cut. Slow, easy cut. Stainless, it's like little razor blades. Bob's your uncle. Okay, we're finding 3/4. This is gas tight, amazing product. This saves us an incredible amount of time. 3 components. Put the washer on, put the slip rings, put it into the termination edge, slide them all together. That's it. Now we can change back over to black iron and work from the black iron side of things. This is a temp rough in. We'll leave this for tonight. Tomorrow we're going to move it over to where we found our central location of the range to be. We'll come back through the wall, tie it in at floor level. But we're not that far yet. This is just safety for tonight. Done. One more range is good over there.
This is where we've come in through the box. Into the fireplace there. It's all tied up. And that's where we came through the soffits, in through the house, back into for outlet box on the other side for your barbecue and or range.
Why do you want it there?
Forgot to mention on this fireplace, the see-through one, that we like these little flanges that come up through the joist base. Just make it nice and tight. Can't move that if your life depended on you.